What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you an absolutely ridiculous prompt that actually helped me land a couple of sweet freelance gigs not too long ago, and it surely is going to help you land the job that you want. So I was actually selling this prompt not too long ago, and now I'm giving it to you guys for free. So please, everyone, give this video a like, because I'm going to have a bunch of angry customers coming after me, and the likes will help soften the blow. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing, let's go and find a job description. Let's go to the one place that everybody wants to work at, right? Google. Oh, gotta learn how to spell. All right, let's go take a look. What do we have? Where do we want to work? Let's take a look. Oh, they got a lot of locations. Nice. All right, where is everyone from? Oh, let's just stick with the states. How many other places do they have here? Whoa! Nice. Look at this. That's a lot of jobs. Let's stick to where they're headquartered, somewhere around here. Let's choose San Francisco. 203 jobs. All right. What do we got here? Consulting, Mandarin, sales specialist. What are all your guys' jobs? That's what I'm curious about. Let me see here. All right, let's I think I've landed on this one. So what we're going to do, we are going to need to copy the job description, and now I'm going to show you the prompt. So the prompt is set up in a way, obviously we're giving the AI a persona. So I want you to act as a professional and seasoned resume writers, helped hundreds acquire jobs across North America, so on and so forth. Your sole purpose in life is to make sure that the applicant for the job, for the given job description, gets a callback and gets hired. Another important component to this is I'm asking it to create a fictional character. So this is maybe to get around the fact that, you know, maybe the AI is going to ask you, oh, can you please provide your job description? So this eliminates this kind of weird back and forth that I've seen people have, and myself, with the AI. So if you tell it to, where do I have it here? I want you to play a fictional character whose positions and descriptions will be created by you, so on and so forth. The fictional character must be the absolute perfect person to hire, so on and so forth. So I'm kind of setting up the structure a little bit. Here, I've provided some additional guidelines to follow. So in other videos and prompts, you could say, you know, follow the best available guidelines for, you know, resumes. And, you know, in other videos I've done, you can say, you know, follow the best SEO practices or follow the best marketing practices. Sometimes the AI is not going to know that. I'm using ChatGPT and some others, but mainly ChatGPT. So if you want a little way to get around this, if you search resume best practices 2023, let's say, who's good here? Who do I know? I mean, Harvard. Hey, you got to trust Harvard, right? It doesn't look like they really have a list. Okay, let's get something that's more detailed. Forbes, that's a good one too. So if you want, stupid advertisements, get out of here. If you want to copy this, oh my good Lord, what is this? Okay, copy. You're gonna have to do a little bit of editing out all these like weird pictures and ads. So if you wanted, you could simply copy these best practices and add it to the document. I already have something here. I don't even know how this is going to paste, to be honest. It's not even going to... yeah, you can do that, honestly. But I already have something. Remove the picture of the dude there. You can do that, but I have already done that in the past. I've made it nice and neat. So this is what we have. And then at the end, I'm just pretty much telling it to... This is a formatting. And I'm saying, hey, you can use companies, for example, RBC and Apple. So I'm saying it doesn't matter where the job was. I'm just saying, you know, make it look pretty, essentially. So now let's dive back into this role. Now we're going to copy and paste it into the job description. So right at the end, This is a job description. It pastes nicely. Let's just put the title of the job too, just so we start off on the right foot. Am I right, people? Job title. My bad. Job title. There we go. Now, what you're gonna do is copy this entire thing, and now we're gonna go into this beautiful gal. Oh, can't live with that. Expired, of course. Right when I need to make a video. All right, I signed back in. A bunch of stupid attachments. I'm using ChatGPT 4. You guys can try it out with 3.5. Shouldn't make that much of a difference for a task like this. So now I'm just pasting the entire thing, and hopefully it works. I haven't used it in a little bit, but I'm hoping we get what we want. So now I'm going to fast forward through this a little bit. All right, we're back, and I'm impressed. I got to say, I don't want to toot my own horn, but it looked like it worked out pretty well with the structure and formatting. So you got your objective. Very nice. Name's John Doe. That's a very, very pretty name. Good job, AI. Then we go on to professional experience. There, look at that. Led a team of engineers. He got the results too. The only thing I do remember, see, we got Redmond, Washington. Okay, here worked in New York, here in California. So then we have education, certifications. The only thing that I remember not liking, I should have updated the prompt, which I probably will, is providing a little bit more in-depth descriptions, right? So these one-line things, I don't know. But I mean, it took the information from the best practices, so I don't know. Maybe this is good. But if it's not and you want to extend these sections, you know, you can add that into the prompt yourself. I'll probably do it in another video. What I really want to do is I'm actually going to try these, apply for a bunch of those really hard to get jobs, and then I'm going to do videos on that. I'll show the, you know, email responses, the back and forth, hopefully. So hopefully I get hired. So follow along to see that. And yeah, I don't think I missed anything. If I did, I'll probably leave it in the comments, but that's about it. If you guys got any questions, just please leave it in the comments. And that is it. Thanks for watching.